Stop wasting money on duffel bags that fall apart after one trip. I've tested dozens of bags, and these 5 will actually last. But number 1 completely shocked me. I've personally put each one through real-world testing to show you exactly what works and what doesn't. From budget-friendly options to premium picks that justify every penny, we're covering capacity, durability, organization features, and those little details that separate a decent bag from one you'll actually want to use every day. Let's dive in. Fmeida F3707. This is a 65-liter foldable duffel bag that tries to pack a lot of features into an affordable package. This bag measures 24 high by 11 high by 14 inches when fully expanded, and one of its main selling points is that it folds down to under 10 inches for storage. The polyester construction aims for water resistance and tear resistance, and it includes a separate shoe compartment with air vents to keep your footwear isolated from clean clothes. During my testing, I found the Fmeida to be genuinely spacious. You can fit a surprising amount of gear inside, which makes it suitable for weekend trips or gym sessions. The foldability is convenient when you're not using it. And I appreciate that it comes with both padded handles and an adjustable shoulder strap. The back sleeve that slides over luggage handles is a nice touch for airport travel, and the separate shoe compartment with ventilation holes does help with organization. However, this is where we need to talk about the trade-offs. While the bag claims to be water-resistant, I noticed that the material feels thinner compared to higher-end options. And during a light drizzle, some moisture did seep through the outer layer after prolonged exposure. The zippers, though marketed as high quality, felt somewhat stiff during operation, and I'm concerned about their long-term durability with repeated use. The polyester fabric, while lightweight at around 2 pounds, lacks the premium feel and structural rigidity you'd find in more expensive bags. Number 4. Uarition 55L Black Durable Large Duffel Bag. The Uarition measures 20.5 by 13.8 by 12.6 inches and offers multiple pockets for organization. This bag features one spacious main compartment and 3 separate pockets designed to help you keep your gear sorted during travel or gym sessions. The 55-liter capacity puts it in that sweet spot for weekend warriors who need substantial space without going overboard. When I first received the Uarition, I was impressed by its solid black aesthetic, and the overall construction quality seemed reasonable for the price range. The main compartment is genuinely roomy, and I could pack clothes for a 3-day trip along with toiletries and accessories without struggling. The multiple pockets are strategically placed. You get exterior pockets for quick access items and interior organization that helps prevent the dreaded duffel bag black hole where everything gets jumbled together. The durability claims in the product name sound promising, but my hands-on experience revealed some concerning details. While the bag held up during normal use, the material feels somewhat generic and lacks the reinforcement at critical stress points that you'd want in a bag marketed as durable. I noticed that after several uses with heavier loads, the bottom of the bag started showing some minor wear, and the fabric doesn't have that robust, confidence-inspiring quality of premium materials. The zippers performed adequately, but didn't glide as smoothly as I'd prefer, especially when the bag was fully packed. 3. ETRONIK Tactical Travel Duffel Bag. Now we're moving into territory where quality noticeably improves. The ETRONIK earns the number 3 spot with its thoughtful design and practical features that actually make a difference during travel. This bag takes organization seriously, with multiple compartments, including a customizable layout with removable dividers, allowing you to create 1 or 2 sections based on your needs. What immediately stood out during testing was the attention to functional details. The ETRONIK includes a separate shoe compartment with an innovative vertical design that maximizes space efficiency, and there's even a waterproof wet pocket specifically for toiletries. This kind of specialized organization transforms how you pack. Instead of throwing everything into one massive cavity, you can actually maintain order throughout your trip. The material quality is noticeably superior, featuring PU leather accents on high wear areas like the bottom, which makes it easy to clean and more resistant to ground moisture. I tested this bag on a week-long trip, and it performed admirably. The capacity easily accommodated 2 to 3 days of essentials with room to spare, and the multiple compartments meant I never had to dig through everything to find my charging cable or toiletries. The carry-on size compliance is legit. I had no issues with airline restrictions. The zippers operated smoothly even when the bag was packed full, and the handles felt comfortable even during longer carries through airports. The tactical style design might not appeal to everyone aesthetically, but it translates to genuine durability and functionality. 2. EKOROMIER QE910. This is an expandable travel duffel that brings genuine innovation to bag design. The expandability feature is what sets this bag apart. It grows from a standard size to an impressive 70-liter capacity when you need extra room. This expandable design makes it incredibly versatile for different travel scenarios, from light weekend trips to extended vacations where you might accumulate souvenirs. The EKOROMIER's construction uses high-density canvas with durable bronze-tone hardware that feels premium from the moment you handle it. During my testing, this bag consistently impressed with its practical features. The expansion zipper in the bottom works smoothly and genuinely adds significant packing space. I'm talking about going from "this is enough" to "wow, I have room for everything." This makes it perfect if you're traveling with shopping plans or need flexibility in your packing capacity. The bag includes a dry-wet separation pocket, which proved invaluable for keeping damp gym clothes or wet swimwear away from dry items. Multiple interior pockets provide excellent organization, and the trolley sleeve on the back makes airport navigation effortless when paired with rolling luggage. The round-stitched handles are comfortable and feel durable, and the adjustable detachable shoulder strap offers carrying versatility. What really elevates the EKOROMIER is the quality of materials and craftsmanship. The canvas is noticeably thicker and more robust than budget options, and the stitching throughout is clean and reinforced at stress points. I loaded this bag heavily multiple times, and it handled the weight without any concerning flex or strain. 1. Urtala KW-TDB. This is a game-changing collapsible waterproof travel duffel that redefines what's possible in bag design. This isn't just a duffel bag, it's an engineering achievement that somehow combines massive capacity with incredible portability. The Urtala offers up to 120 liters of storage space with 7 strategic compartments, yet when collapsed, it folds down to roughly the size of a book. Let me explain why this bag earned the #1 ranking. The construction uses 600D waterproof polyester that's genuinely tough while maintaining a remarkably light weight of just 1.8 to 2.09 pounds, depending on the model. During extensive testing over multiple trips, this bag proved virtually indestructible. I packed it for a month-long journey with enough clothes for 2 people, and it handled the load without any issues. The ventilated shoe compartment is brilliantly designed, keeping footwear or dirty clothes completely separate with dedicated air circulation. The organizational system with 7 compartments means everything has its place, eliminating the frustration of rummaging through a single large space. The padded shoulder straps distribute weight comfortably even during extended carrying, and the telescopic handle with smooth zipper closure makes access effortless. The adjustable straps and luggage sleeve integration make this bag incredibly practical for real-world travel scenarios. What absolutely sold me on the Urtala is the foldability combined with the waterproof construction. When you're not using it, the bag compresses and stays folded with an integrated zipper, allowing you to store it in a drawer without taking up valuable space. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.